Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Are you ready to solve a riddle? Yes. Two hens can lay 2 eggs in 2 minutes. If this is the maximum speed possible, what is the total number of hens needed to get 500 eggs in 500 minutes? Once again I am repeating, 2 hens can lay 2 eggs in 2 minutes. If this is the maximum speed possible, what is the total number of hens needed to get 500 eggs in 500 minutes? Yes, the answer is 2 hens, the same 2 hens. Yes. In the previous class, we have learnt about method of finding square root factorization. Let us have a small recap. Find the value of a square of 25. Yes, good. 25 square is 625. Can you list out the steps to find square root factorization? Yes. Step 1. Split the given number into prime factors. Step 2. From each pair, select one prime factor. Step 3. Find the product of the selected factors. Find the value of root 441. Yes, the answer is 21. 441 is nothing but the value of 21 square. Square root exists only for dash. Yes, square root exists only for square numbers. As a continuation of the previous class, today also we are going to solve problems based on square root factorization. Let us solve the examples. Example 3. Find the square root of 576 into 338 into 128. How do we solve this one? Yes. Let us factorize the numbers individually and then take the square root. Shall we start to do, children? Yes. So the first number is 576. So factorize this one. This is an even number, so start with 2 tables. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. Remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. Again with 2. 1. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 2. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 2. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. 2. 18 2s are 36. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. So we reach the prime number here. So we can stop it here itself. The second number is 338. So this is also an even number. So we can start with 2 tables. 1 2 is 2. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Remaining 1. 9 2s are 18. So this you know very well. 13 13s are 169. We reach the prime number. So the next one is 128. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. Again we do 2 table. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. With 2. 1 2 is 2. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. And 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. We reach the prime number. So we can stop it here itself. So the question is 576 into 338 into 128. So for the number 576, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times of 2 and 2 times of 3. So write the number 2 for 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 times of 3. Next the number 338. 2 into 13 into 13. The number 128. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times of 2. So this also comes under inside the root only. You have to write 7 times of 2. 4, 5, 6, 7. So based on the method, we have to take one number from each pair. So 3 times of 2, then from this pair we have to take 1 3 outside. Keep these 2 as such. From this 13, take 1 13 outside. And from this 2, 2 into 2 into 2. Now here 1 2 is there and here 1 2 is there. So for these 2 2's we can take 1 2 outside. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. 8 3's are 24. If you multiply the remaining numbers, you will get the answer as 4992. So root of 576 into 338 into 128 is equal to 4992. The next question, example 4. Find the square root of 7056 and 9216. So let us factorize the two numbers. The first one is 7056. This is an even number, so we can start it with 2 tables. 3 2's are 6, remaining 1, 5 2's are 10. 2 2's are 4, remaining 1, 8 2's are 16. Again with 2 tables. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 7 2's are 14, remaining 1, 6 2's are 12 and 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16, remaining 1, 8 2's are 16, 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8, 4 2's are 8 and 1 2 is 2. We can do it with 3 tables. 1 3 is 3, remaining 1, 4 3's are 12, remaining 2, 7 3's are 21. So again with 3 tables. 4 3's are 12, remaining 2, 9 3's are 27. 49 is nothing but 7 7's are 49. So we have reached the prime number. Now do the factorization for the second number. 9216. Start with 2 tables. 4 2's are 8, remaining 1, 6 2's are 12. So 1 is not divisible by 2 tables, so you put 0 here and take the number 16. 8 2's are 16. 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6, 0, 4 2's are 8. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 5 2's are 10, 2 2's are 4. 5 2's are 10, remaining 1, 7 2's are 14, remaining 1, 6 2's are 12. 2 2's are 4, remaining 1, 8 2's are 16, remaining 1, 8 2's are 16. 1 2 is 2, 4 2's are 8, 4 2's are 8. 2, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 36 2s are 72. 18 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. So we reach the prime number. Now the question is root of 7056 divided by 9216. Now for the number 7056, 4 times of 2, 2 times of 3 and 2 times of 7. So in the numerator, inside the root we have to write it as 4 times of 2, 2 times of 3 and 2 times of 7. Now in the denominator for the number 9216, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 times of 2 and 2 times of 3. So you have to write the 2 for 10 times. 2 into 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 2 times of 3. So for each pair you have to take one number outside. So for these 2 I am taking 1 2 outside, and for this 1 2 and 3 and 1 7. And for the denominator 2 3 4 5. 5 times of 2. 1 2 3 4 5. And for this 3 you have to write 1 3 outside. Multiply the numbers. If you multiply the numerator, you will get the answer as 2 2s are 4, or we can cancel these two numbers. We can cancel 1 2 with the numerator and 1 2 with the denominator, and again cancel these 2 2 and 1 3 also. So the leftover numbers are in the numerator 7 and the denominator 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So your answer is root 7056 divided by 9216 is equal to 7 by 8. Is it clear, children? Yes.